Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ActiveCampaign account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a user into your ActiveCampaign account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your ActiveCampaign account anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you probably work with a lot of different assistants to help run your business, including your email campaign. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your ActiveCampaign account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ActiveCampaign account, and this is the home screen. Now, one thing I want to let you know before we go any further is you do have to have a higher tier ActiveCampaign for this to work. But I'm going to show you how to find the information. Right here on the left menu, you want to look towards the bottom. There's a button here called Settings. It has a gear icon. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this menu pop up here on the left, and you want to look towards the bottom. There's a button here called Users and Group. Okay, so here you can see that it's just me in this particular account. Now, this is a free test account. So as you can see, I've reached the maximum users 1 of 1. However, if you have a higher tier plan, you can go ahead and add an admin or a team member by clicking up here on Add a New User. Now, you will need to enter in their email address and they will receive an invitation. Once they receive the invitation, then you can add them as an admin or a team member. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member or some sort of user to your ActiveCampaign account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.